Hi guys and welcome to my channel. My name's Mariella and my channel's In the Kitchen with Mariella. Hey, today is July the 28th. Our devotion is called A Great Counselor. Do not be anxious about anything, but in every situation, by prayer and petition, with thanksgiving, present your requests to God. And the peace of God, which transcends all understanding, will guard your heart and your mind in Christ Jesus. Philippians 4, 6, and 7. The counselor's suggestion box overflows with ideas from the school's young students, varying from inventive and reasonable, replace the fluorescent lights with twinkle lights, to imaginative and impractical, cover the hallway with a giant slip and slide. But each one was read out loud weekly. Each one was read out loud during the weekly staff meeting. The children's ideas never decreased in volume or zeal. They believed that their school valued their input. God bends his ears to our anxiety, our longing, our frustration, and our worship. And we trust him because we want to be better than ever, to be more and more like him. We trust that our counselor values our participation. Bring him your request this morning. God, you are always in control. Thank you for listening to my request and always wanting the best for me. Nighttime devotion. The students approached to their favorite counselor with their personal troubles. He heard about failures on the soccer field, fights with the best friend, botched geometry quizzes, and sibling rivalry. His door was always open, and the seats weren't empty for long. He makes the example set by our great counselor, who hears our worries and protects us with his peace. It may seem difficult to give thanks in the midst of trouble and fear, but when we do, God replaces our worries with peace. The question of the day. Will you fill the suggestion box of your wonderful counselor? I do. Do I do it all the time? No. Should I do it all the time? Yes. If I have big worries, I take them to God. Little worries, I don't so much. So make sure that you take your worries to God. I want to thank you all for watching the video. If you would, like, subscribe, ring that notification bell, leave a comment, and share my videos. I would appreciate it. And as always, don't let anyone steal your sunshine or your smile. Have a good day, guys.